Agricultural applications of alkanes and alkenes. Alkenes and alkanes are two important types of hydrocarbons that commonly used in agriculture for various purposes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbon that contains double bonds, while alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons that only contain single bond. Both types of hydrocarbons have unique properties that make them useful in different agricultural applications. One common use of alkenes and alkanes in gasoline in agriculture is as fuel for machinery and equipment on farms. Alkanes such as gasoline and diesel are commonly used as fuel for tractors, combines, and other farm equipment. These hydrocarbons are able to combust efficiently in engines, providing the power needed to operate machinery and perform tasks on farm. Alkenes, such as the ethanol, can also be used as a renewable fuel source for some agricultural equipment, reducing the carbon footprint of farming operations. Alkenes and alkanes can also be used in the production of pesticides and fertilizers. Alkanes are used in the synthesis of herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides that help farmers protect their crops from pests and diseases. Alkanes are also used in the production of fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate and urea that provide essential nutrients to soil help boost crop yields. These hydrocarbons play play a crucial role in modern agriculture by helping farmers manage pests and maintain healthy soil for sustainable crop production. In conclusion, alkenes and alkanes are versatile hydrocarbons that have wide range of agricultural applications. From fueling farm equipment to producing pesticides and fertilizers, these hydrocarbons are essential for modern agriculture. By understanding the properties and uses of alkenes and alkanes, farmers can learn farmers can harness the power of hydrocarbons to improve efficiency,